Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see, tired all over my face. Got home from work, been running errands all day because your girl is going to Jamaica. So let me tell you no wagwan, let me give you a quick rundown before we get into these cute outfits. Alright, so this wasn't planned. This Jamaica trip was not planned. This was last minute. Everything is last minute, right? Like 2 days ago, I find out say me I go to Jamaica. So originally I bought these fits for my birthday weekend, which is in July. Yes, I buy them early because in December when I was going to Jamaica and ordered from Fashion Nova and Shein. No, I did get my Shein package early, but my Fashion Nova package never showed up and I had to go to Jamaica without my fits. And that's why I told myself this time I'm gonna order a month in advance so I don't have anxiety over like my package and stuff when is my birthday. Ordered a month early and I have them here. And then my birthday weekend trip got cancelled because me and my boyfriend, we were supposed to go to the Bahamas. He bought tickets, everything, booked everything for us to go, and then something big came up, which in the end is gonna be for good cause. Like, yeah, so I can't be mad, he can't be mad about it. We felt a little disappointed, but every disappointment is an appointment to something better, and that is why the Bahamas trip canceled. He moved the ticket and we're going to Jamaica this weekend. So this is, you could say it's a birthday celebration. Still gonna celebrate my birthday next month, but not in the Bahamas. So anyways, this is why, yeah, all of this. I did not buy this for Jamaica. I did not even know I was going to Jamaica. I just bought. So you see how everything work out? It's like I might tell me buy early, and then that happened where my Bahamas trip got cancelled, and then I have my clothes for Jamaica this weekend. And none of this was planned. None. The only thing was planned was the Bahamas trip will get cancelled. But we're gonna get right into this fit. My aunt probably ashy and all, not even lotion, just bathe. Got my nails done, got my lashes did. So yeah, this is what we're working with. Alright, so let me just show you a quick when we get. I'm not gonna make this too long and, you know, crazy. Alright, so this is the Shein bag. Shein. Yeah. I also have Fashion Nova too, but that's gonna be in another video. Alright, so make we see what we have here. Okay, this is a cover up. So let me find the swimwear that I bought this cover up for and put them together and put them on show. Okay, so I found the swimwear. I'm go up YouTube now, take down my things about nudity. That's why I'm gonna put on the cover up, you know. But follow me on Instagram if you want to see this without the cover up, because I feel like say YouTube I gotta style me. It's a 2-piece black, and I'm gonna leave the link for all these items down below in the description box, so don't worry on yourself. Honestly guys, I don't think I put this on correct. Oh, it looks so tight. So guys, I'm rushing because we're leaving tomorrow and I haven't started packing as yet. But this is all like I'll figure it out on the day I'm wearing it. I definitely will. But the cover up big, man. I bought the cover up separate. Me not like this. Me I gonna end up giving this to somebody, the cover up. Might as well wear it without the cover up. No sir. So this is it guys. Like I said, me just a jump in and jump out for showing it real quick. I think I like this part. I like it. But the cover up, it nah give me no buzz. Alright guys, so I have another swimwear. It's a 3-piece. So I'm gonna take it out the package to show you guys. Okay, so this 3-piece, I'm loving it. Look at this cover up, it all came together. So you see it comes with the 2-piece bikini, and the cover up is like banging, girl. What's this? I love this 3-piece. Usually in my hauls I'll be telling you the name and everything, but you know, let me say I'm rushing, but I'm gonna have all information in the description. It's very long guys. It reached my arm, maybe because I'm short, but it reached my arm to my ankle. It's at my ankle. I love this. So it's 1, 2, 3, and all 3 came together. So guys, I have one more set of bikini left to try on swimwear. This is a 3, yes, I think this is a 3-piece as well. So I ordered 3 different swimwear. So this is the 3rd one, and it's a 3-piece. Okay, so like I said guys, if you want to see the true reveal on these bikini, because I can't show too much on YouTube, follow me on the gram. I'll leave the picture here, Instagram. But anyways, so this is 3-piece. As you can see, comes with the bikini, so the underwear matches the cover up, and the top part is white. So this is how it's looking. I like this because it's short and nice. Yeah, yeah girl, yeah you. Yeah, I love this. It's giving me Bahamas, Jamaica, walking on the strip in Las Vegas in my bikini. So this is a 3-piece. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all the names down below. I know I'm bad at this haul because usually when I do my hauls, I say the name, I tell you the material, I give you details, but I just want to show you guys. This is just a show no what me I carry with me, is it? Yeah, it's cute though. Okay, so next I have a 2-piece skirt set. So this is a 2-piece skirt set. Crop top, no strap, strapless skirt. This is size small. All my items are size small. All my clothes are size small. But I don't know how I feel about this 2-piece. I thought the top would have been more snugged. And then the skirt front look a bit baggy, but I guess it can wear. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about it, but it'll probably grow. It will probably grow on me, you know. So this is it, 2-piece skirt set. I like it. I like the color. I like where it's kind of bring, but it kind of look. It is big, honestly. No, even though not all your clothes feel like suck and pie, but like a 2-piece set like this, it should be. Maybe if you're like me, 5'2", 125 pounds, you probably need an extra small if you want it snug. So next I have another 2-piece set. I think this is a short set, and I'm gonna try it on. Okay, so this 2-piece short set, I love this. Me always love my short set. Then you see the ruche, where call this a ruche, and it's high waist, and the look at top just cute. Like this is it. Yeah, Shein. Yeah, you come out. Girl, come out and thing. Yeah, Shein, I ate this. Yep, this is it. I love this. This is cute. Guys, I know my ashy, don't come for me. I didn't send for you. But yeah, this is it. I'm just try them on real quick. Body crazy baby. So this is the last outfit that I have to try on from the Shein collection before I show you guys the accessories. This is a dress. Yes, this is the dress. Guys, I thought this was a dress, or I probably forgot, but this is a skirt, 2-piece skirt and the top. And if I ever show one of the struggle where I did that for go through a while ago to fix the top, it's cute but it's too much. You know, this is separate, this come in 2 pieces separate, and I had to put the 2 pieces together to make this. So I don't know if it's on correct, but like I said, I'm rushing, but this is what I'm getting from it. Skirt set, 2-piece. I think this is a little too small for my titties. I don't know, they probably just fall out. This is the back.
I just want it straight, and they keep having that hump in it, like damn.
But yeah, this is what we're working with. It's cute. It fit me. This actually fit me better than the blue skirt set. This skirt snug. This top, it feel little. Feel like if I move 2 times so them drop out. What's that? I don't know, but yeah, this is what we getting. So now I'm gonna get into the accessories. Alright, so first I have this cute little bag. Let me see it. Ooh, it looks just like the picture. It looks like the picture. Isn't this the cutest? It's one. It looks like 2 bags in one, but it's 1 bag, and it has the drawstring. You could pull the strings. It looks like a It looks like a designer bag, probably like Gucci or Louis or one of them people there. I don't know. And it also comes with the string in the bag, the strap, and it's gold. But this is cute. I like this. No. This is so cute. It actually came with the. So I wanted the string drop out already. Come with 2 strings, so if one drop out, you have the next one. I don't understand. Shein, not really cheap. The string drop out through this, and I'm gonna crop it out. I'm showing you exactly what just happened, guys. So the string for this pop out. You get what you pay for. They're cheap, but I could still wear it with the one, close it with the one strap, and I have the gold strap inside to put in. So the next purse I have is listen, they were really cheap, so I just bought purses just to buy purses. You know, I have purses, but I just bought these because they were cute. So this, what designer this I give me? Gucci, Louis? I don't know, but to come with the strap inside. It's a cute little bag. I love the color. You just pin it like this, and this is what we have. See there? It's cute. So I have another one of the same bag. This one look more made, like it really make good. Same thing with this, with the drawstring. Yeah, this one feel more sturdy. Yep, this is it. I like this one. It has a gold strap as well. It's nice. This nice bud. I probably paid more for this one. Yeah, I think, yes, I did. So it all depends on the material. No, it all depends on the price. The higher the price, the better the material. With everything. So that one was cheaper than this, and this one looked better. So that's it for purse. I'm going to show you glasses and shoes. So I just bought like little slippers. This one giving me a Chanel vibe. It's not Chanel, but it's cute. Okay, I'm going. Just to wear with my swimwear. I bought these little sandals to wear with my swimwear. Alright, this is another sandal I bought to wear with my swimwear. This is cute. I'm not lie, they might give me a name brand vibe. Yeah, it's cute. You know the square mouth them I wear, so yeah. Another one, just a beach pool vibe, because that's what we were gonna do in Bahamas. It's like a whole vacation, so you know, beach vibe, pool vibe type, you know, type of outfit them here. Focus. Yeah, but they're cute, and then them I wear with the square mouth. Last but not least, my favorite, guys, I tried this one on. This is the only thing I tried on off camera. Miss say who love this like me. I said I was gonna wear this on my birthday, on the day, but I don't know. Cute pommel foot, like me love this. I love this for me. Yeah. Like I said, I got more stuff, but it's from Fashion Nova, so you have to go come over the Fashion Nova video. Come to the Fashion Nova video and you'll see what I bought from Fashion Nova. This is the Shein haul, and then I'm gonna have a Fashion Nova haul after. Guys, I didn't know I bought this much slippers. This is a lot of slippers, bro. This is exactly what I bought for my swimwear, like these plastic slippers. Just to like put on like if water, may I walk on the beach, if I'm walking on the beach or anything. Them cheap and nice. I like them. I also got a sunglasses. Every sunglasses I buy never fit me, but listen, The ear not fixed yet. I have to fix the hair. I have to dress up for this, but this is it. Let me know what y'all think.
No. No, no. No. Nope.
Yes, sir. I have more. I got more sunglasses because I didn't know which one I like. So come over to my fashion overhaul and you'll see more. And I got like, this was giving me like a Fendi look. So I got like the ring and bracelet Fendi look and the chain. Let me show you guys. It did give me a Fendi look and the chain match it as well. I got the earrings, but the color is off. It's not the same. It's a different gold. So I have different earring we'll be wearing with these. But yeah, this is it. When I'm rich, I'll still be buying cheap stuff because they still look good. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for this video. And guys, remember to come over to my Instagram so you can see how I dress up everything that I showed you guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you think of these outfits. Just comment down below anything, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.